Hi, I'm Giovanna, a nutritionist specialized in health and weight loss. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the product Silvets, if it works and what results. I'm also going to leave you with a very important warning so that you don't put your health at risk. Pay close attention to this short video and stay until the end so you don't miss any details. Silvets is a powerful all-natural weight loss supplement developed by scientists specialized in metabolism. Its formula, based on 6 active ingredients, has shown real results to hundreds of people, proving to be the ideal solution to those who have failed and felt frustrated every time they tried to lose weight before, but couldn't. We know how frustrating it is to look in the mirror, make several changes of clothes that no longer fit. You feel ashamed of your partner and of the people who judge you. You hide yourself in baggy clothes that don't value you. Even if you follow a balanced diet, reduce your calorie intake, and exercise regularly, your metabolism doesn't change. Nothing works the way you want. You have tried everything and can't get rid of that extra weight. Studies prove that this is not your fault. The metabolism of 60% of the people is slow and just needs an external help, and this is exactly the function of Silvets. Silvets speeds up your metabolism, reducing your appetite. It will naturally stimulate fat burning 24 hours a day, without the need for intense exercise or endless diets that make you feel hungry. The result is inevitable: you will lose weight, your self-esteem will improve, you will be able to wear clothes that no longer fit and those you have always dreamed of. Your partner will look at you with more enthusiasm, and everyone will say to you, "Wow, you look so thin and beautiful, what are you doing?" You will have more energy for your daily activities, your mood will improve, and you will be able to get new projects off the drawing board. By eliminating fat from your belly, back, thighs, arms, and face, you will feel young, confident, and powerful. An important warning: only the Silvets formula can provide all these benefits. The high demand for this product has eventually led to counterfeits. I warn you that the original Silvets is sold only on its official website. It is not sold in any other store or location. The counterfeit products, besides not working, will make you lose money and, worse, can also put your health at risk. To help you, I put the link to the official website here below in the description of this video. Clicking on this link, as you can see, you will be directed to the official website. There you will have all the important information and you will be able to make your purchase easily, being sure to receive the original product. After filling in your details, your purchase will be made and you will receive your product within 3 to 5 working days. But if you are still in doubt about your purchase, for your comfort, Silvets comes with a money-back guarantee. If the product doesn't meet your expectations, that's fine. Contact our support for your full refund. It is described here on the website. A warning: with the positive result, thousands of people are discovering the amazing effects of Silvets and thus are ordering several units at a time. The factory cannot meet such a large demand, so our supply will soon be reduced. Be quick, okay? I advise you not to take too long to buy it. In order to guarantee the quality, the batches take time to be produced and you might get in a queue. Again, Silvets is sold only on the official website and the link is here below in the description of this video. Dream and visualize the benefits of your dream being realized. It is up to you to make it happen.